Welcome back, everybody. Today we're gonna take a trip to the west side of the island. We're gonna go to Aguadilla, maybe a little bit of Rincon, but on the way we're gonna stop at La Cara del Indio. It's a big giant rock with an Indian face on it. I know it's been a few days since I made the video, so this will technically be like day 8, but in reality it's like day 11. This might be the last video of the series of Puerto Rico, but we are planning on going somewhere else. We're either going to Florida, to Miami, or we're gonna go to the Dominican Republic next. But I want to go to Cuba. I'm trying to put that into people's ears, see if we go to Cuba. But we might come back here too, like in July. That's a big if right now, big if. But stay tuned, we'll keep you posted in the videos. So as per usual, we can't just get in the car and go. We always got to make a pit stop somewhere. So we got to go to Walmart and get a life vest, or life vests, because people don't want to swim, they want to float. We made a pit stop before going to Walmart. We wanted to come see this beautiful thing right here on the side of the mountain. We're gonna let them take their pictures first, and then we're gonna head over there and take our pictures. All right, so we did the pictures already with the Indian head. Now we're gonna go into this little cave right here, whatever it's called. The tunnel of Oaxaca. Playa Hobos is up there, Villa Montaña over there. Oaxaca. I wanted to go there too. We can go there. It's like a tunnel you walk through. And see the kids going over here. I don't know, but we could put on the GPS. Yeah, guys, get up in there. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Oh, they have a light in there too. Look at that, inside the mountain, y'all.
It's nice and cold in here.
Right, it is nice and cool. Like the temperature dropped as soon as you got in here. That's nice. No. All right, now we're gonna go to Walmart because your boy got to use the bathroom, and I got to get this girl her little floaty device because she wants to jump off the bridge and the pier in Crash Boat Beach, and she don't wanna have to paddle her ass, so I got to get her little floaty device. We just got here to Crash Boat Beach in Aguadilla. Gotta hop over this little thing right here and see the stuff that Alcalde did all this. The guy that fought Gallo that day, remember we was watching the fight? Yeah. The guy that lost the fight that day, he's the one that colored all of this here. Yeah, he's an artist. I don't know why he wanted to be a boxer, but whatever. And now him and Gallo are friends. That's what happens when you fight people. I guess you get respect, and then y'all just become cool after that. Those are manatees and not off-brand whales. Emma, what the? She sold them off-brand whales. Look at this place, y'all. Where do you guys want to pitch this tent? On this side or on that side? I want to be right here, close to where we can jump off the pier. They said if you go in this water right here, you grow a third leg. And you can see why. It's nice and brown. You want to go in there easy and grow a third leg? They said if you go in that water, you grow a third leg. It's all right, we'll go around, go up. I know, jet skis, yeah. Look at this place. We can go right here, no? Right here, Beto? Look at how clear that water is. Let's pitch a tent real fast. I'll be right with you guys in a minute. So we pitched our tent right there. Now Emma and I are gonna walk all the way to the end of this, what was a big pier, a long pier, but Hurricane Maria destroyed it. But people still come here to jump off, and that's why we're here. Because I'm gonna jump off too, baby girl.
That's not even that deep.
Boy, it's deep over there.
Lost one thing, gained another.
Look at this nice place over here though.
You got my ring? Wait, it's a silver rose ring. It's a silver rose ring. You got it?
See, it's
Hey, Emma, go ahead. Don't be scared.
Can you give me a hug? Please. Give me a hug, please. Can I give you a hug?
Oh, this is awesome, guys. Con permiso, papi. Gracias. All the way to the end. You scared? Come on. Look at this place. The ladder's right there. You scared?
If I had my life jacket, I was.
Look at the fish. Look at the fish down there.
Look that big.
Yeah, you see the big one over there?
Oh wow. These are those.
Mm-hmm.
You ready?
Yeah, let's go back. I'm gonna fly the drone over this.
es más bajito y es más llano, para no ser tan duro. Pero el problema aquí es lo alto. Allá hay problema en lo llano.
You definitely know I'm jumping off that, baby. Most certainly. You're not gonna jump off, Emma?
I will.
Yeah, you got your floaty.
Is it go pasón?
What?
Is it go pasón?
I don't know. Con permiso.
Con permiso.
Yeah, you
but,
say copasón. What the hell is
but
that?
the person gave it.
I don't know. Come on. Let's go over here, Emma. Let's check this side. You don't need the Emma to flow at all, but
I know, but I just better.
so I just dared easy peasy lemon squeezy with his nice peeling back because the kid don't believe in putting on sunblock. And we try to put sunblock on him, but he don't want it. He said he wants to get dark. Darkness.
Oh my goodness.
I dare you to jump right here.
Emma, can you
Yeah, Emma, do it.
tell me how?
Do it. Emma!
Is it?
It's not deep at all, I told you.
It's short.
Right here, jump right here.
She just said it's short.
Yeah, it's okay, jump.
She just said
Don't be a punk. Your sister just jumped, my boy. But jump on this side where it's a little bit deeper.
Do not land on your feet because I just did.
Yeah, you gotta like do a cannonball type thing. Go ahead. Go ahead.
All right, back up.
All right, let me back up. Let me back up. Let me back up. Let me back up. He's scared. I'm gonna push him. He's right. I might have. I'm not gonna push you. Go ahead. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. I want to record it though. Really? Come on. It's not that crazy.
Emma, if you're like deep, like. Look at me.
She's standing up.
Oh,
It's so clear though, guys. Look at this clear water.
it hurts. I know. It's not deep enough for me to jump.
Jump.
It's not deep enough. I'm gonna.
Emma just jumped.
No, that's because she's tiny.
But do a cannonball. Go ahead. You can't jump over that one. You want to jump over there then?
Jump over that one. That one. This one? No, over that one.
Right here in this corner. I think right here in this corner is your best bet. Easy. Right here. If you jump from right here, I think you'll be fine. Because if you jump over there, it's a little bit shallow. But if you jump from right here, I think you'll be good.
I mean, I can jump from over here.
No. Why would you jump? The big one? You got to put your floaty on because it's really, really deep on that side.
No, I'm talking about the one over there.
That right there, easy. There's nothing there. There's little kids playing there. Get out of here. Stop being a punk. Do it. On 3. 1, 2, 2.5, 2 3/4. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna go back. He's not gonna jump. He's not. You gonna do it? Let's see. Let's see. Do a little cannonball. Cannonball.
I don't want to kill
Oh my goodness. So hurry up and jump, kid.
It's gonna be an earthquake.
It's not gonna be an earthquake, Chupapi. Hurry up. Emma, did you bring your floaty? You didn't bring your donut?
I sleep with it.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, I can like, you know, like go like that.
Go ahead, you punk butt. Go ahead.
I just don't want to fall. No, you're gonna.
I need to record you jumping in.
Back up.
Oh my goodness, you're such a baby girl. Was that so bad?
I hurt my butt.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna go change up everything from the camera and jump in there with these buttheads. Give me a second. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna go take off all the contraption off my camera so I can go in the water with it. We saw some fish. You guys can still see the fish too, but I'm gonna fly the drone, take all the contraption off, have a few drinks, and then jump in there and take a nice little plunge. Give me a few seconds, I'll be right back with you. I'm not jumping off that. I'm gonna jump right here real fast.
Yeah, but you're gonna hurt your head.
No, I'm not. I'm just gonna be like, wee.
Yeah, just like.
Come on.
No, wait. Do it over that way. I want to drop off of that one. I just don't know how high it is.
Okay, well I don't have a floaty, but.
No, it's not even that deep.
I don't want to die. You know, one of my legs doesn't work that well, but okay.
I will save you.
How are you gonna save me? You're gonna carry 220 pounds?
You hold on to me, and I will slowly like paddle, or you kick it.
You hearing this, guys? She's gonna carry me in the water.
I don't care.
Did we bring the goggles? We did, right?
Okay. Yeah.
From right here? Yeah. Go first.
I'm telling Emma to go first because
Emma, you got a floaty. Go first. Go ahead.
Hey. Why me though?
I'm gonna throw the camera with you.
You have this on.
Right? Where's yours? We bought you that for no reason?
Yeah, easy. That's what I'm saying. I'm using it without it, but like when I
Emma, go ahead. Let's go.
Wait, hold on.
Intro.
We're at the beach with cheesy poo and easy like me.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
And they want me to go first because I have
a life jacket.
But I want them to. You go. You go. You have a life jacket on. Wait.
Oh, it's so nice, kid. Come on. I'm tippy-toe right now. Come on.
I can't. I'm gonna
Come on, easy.
That's easy.
Do a flip. Go ahead. Let me get out your way. Ooh, it's kind of cold, y'all. Ooh.
I can run and jump.
Run and jump. Go ahead. This is your time to do it. Oh, tsunami!
Shut up! I'm on my tippy toes right now.
I thought you were gonna say you on your period. I was gonna say, my man.
Yeah, I'm peeing.
What are you doing in the water then?
You guys see the blood?
I need my goggles. That's what I need because my eyes are burning already from this salt water.
Yeah.
Go underneath the pier. No? Where's Mama the llama? Oh my God, it's sucking me. Hey, yo! Wait.
Back down. That's cool.
All right, so I had to put on my goggles, y'all, because that salt water is burning my face. Oof. Come on, Mama the llama. Oh, man. Easy, go. Emma, you ready?
Let me jump in first.
Come on. Just jump.
I'm touching the ground.
Me too.
And I have my life jacket.
But don't go straight because if you go straight, you're gonna hurt your feet. So kind of like a cannonball kind of thing.
Yeah.
Hurry up! Come on! Oh my goodness! Come on! Oh, yo! Why you always dropping F-bombs? Jesus Christmas!
I'm gonna cut that out now.
Hurry up! Easy. I'm not gonna keep saying your name. Hurry up and jump, you big butt. Hurry up!
Wow, I went up and down. Yeah, you guys are up.
Come on, lady. Really? Just jump in. Okay, well, she's not gonna jump in. Hurry up. Come on. I'm gonna try to go a little bit deeper because right there, I don't want to hurt my feet again. If you jump in right here, you'll be good. Come on. Emma, jump over here. It's better.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit better for you right here. Up step. Look at easy. I don't know if right here. Yeah, I know. Go ahead. You can jump in there right now if you want to. Want to jump in?
Let's go there together?
On three?
Yeah.
And then we're going to swim back that way, over there?
Yeah, hold on.
Let me know when you're ready. We're going to jump right here, guys. Oh, snap. He just jumped. He didn't say anything to nobody. He just left. Ready? All right, let's go.
Three.
Oh, wait.
Hands? Hands are just like a man.
We're going to jump. Ready? Ready?
Yeah. 3.
2. Wait, I got to hold my mask.
What?
My mask. I don't want to come over the water.
Oh, so.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Go. Oh, that's awesome.
Where's the ladder? Oh, it's over there. The ladder's over there.
You want to go back up that way?
Yeah. Look at the dog. Look at the dog. The dog is going to jump. The dog is going to jump.
The doggy?
Yeah. Look, it's going to jump.
Oh, this is awesome. I want to see the fish though. Let's get out the way so they can jump. Come on. Oh, thank goodness for this life vest because my leg is hurting already because I've just jumped like 3 or 4 times. Look at the doggy. Everybody just chilling. That ladder does look kind of crinkly though. You see that ladder? I don't think we're gonna make it up there. We're gonna have to just go back. The dog. Probably Look at the big guy, the chupapi. How about this? That's the whole wrap. Hey, you want to dive with? You want to do a flip with the camera on you like that? Flip with it. Go ahead. It's already recording. There you go. Like that. I'm gonna jump in with you. So Easy's gonna jump into the water with I don't like this.
Don't show mommy.
She's gonna see it, obviously.
She's gonna freak out.
She'll let her freak out. You're not a little baby no more. You gotta take chances. And if you need it, I'll just throw it to you. So whenever you're ready. We're at the tip of the edge. Edge of the world right here, guys. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Ready? Got it, bro. Yeah. Want to take the camera with you? Easy?
I want to see him do it.
You gonna watch what they're gonna do first?
Gotta go. Throw it down. No, don't do that.
What's up, man?
Imagine jumping in there.
Massachusetts.
From Orlando.
Nice. You guys are closer.
Yeah.
Look.
Jump in there. Go say what's up.
No.
That's what I was trying to find out, but maybe on this side. It's better than over there, because everyone's jumping on this side.
There's a bunch of fish over there.
Yeah, we had some this morning, but when I came back just now, they were gone.
They're under the bridge still.
Yeah?
Yeah, the big blue ones.
So he,
Yeah, they're under there.
y'all here better times than before when we came here. Before it was like during heavy, but there was no.
Yeah, she was so packed.
Yeah?
I couldn't even walk on it.
When you guys come?
We've been here all day.
Yeah?
But earlier
We got
today-
like around maybe 11:30, 12 o'clock.
Yeah, so
It was so bad.
Yeah.
It was crazy packed at that time in the morning?
Yeah, it's the low tide.
Okay,
It was
so
really
everyone's out.
calm,
Everyone, okay.
Super calm. The waters were really flat. There was people fishing.
I want to fish.
So do I. We'll do that before we leave. We got a couple more days. Look at Emma. Emma's coming. Emma, do it. Come on. You got this. Come on.
If you guys don't mind a little hike, there's a survival beach.
Close by to here?
Yeah, it's like maybe 20 minutes from here. It's
Okay.
like caves and
That sounds really awesome.
you get to walk through the, it's like right on the beach, so it's like the caves come right into the cave and you can walk through the caves.
That sounds cool as hell,
But you
yeah.
gotta park at it's called Surfers Beach, and then there's a trail that says Survival Beach, and you walk that
Okay.
trail.
I'm gonna look it up and
Yeah, it takes fire.
we're gonna go on that side next. You hurt? Emma, we're gonna go back in. I'll give you a break because I know you're tired.
I can jump off of that.
No, come on. You got this right here. Come on, Ethan. You just did it. You just did it, kid. He just jumped off right here, but he's being scared now. Because now he don't have a life vest. Yeah, easy. Look at him. Look at him.
I'll be scared too.
Come on, Ethan. You got it. Easy. Yes. There you go. There you go. You can swim. Yep. Okay. Nice. You ready? No, you can dive too. Go, you ready? You ready, Easy? 1, 2, go! Go together, go together. Go ahead, go together, go together. Both of you guys. There you go, go ahead. 1, go. Damn! Come on, Easy. Wow. Oh, yeah, the kid is brave though. The kid's brave. Stop being a punk.
I'm not jumping.
You can jump too.
Unless the lifeguard.
All right, we're here.
I'm about to jump in.
Excuse me.
Jump with the girls. Jump with the girls. Go ahead. There you go. Ready? One. You gotta go. Go ahead. Go with them. Go ahead. Oh, you just went without what? Easy.
I'll wait.
Right? I thought you guys were gonna go together, but apparently not. You go with them. Go ahead. Go ahead. Ready?
I'm here.
Get it. Ready? Ready? Emma, you got it. Come on, Emma. Ready? Come on, Emma.
Put the fishies.
Jump on them. They're gonna move out the way. Don't worry about them.
I hope they carry me.
Papi, que se joda. Para la próxima. I am sure.
You're gonna sue the beach?
There.
Oh, I think they're gonna sue. Damn.
No, ya ven para acá.
Los tres a la misma vez. Los tres a la misma vez.
Vamos al fondo, ¿la ves?
Eso es que pasó a mí. Me jodí la pierna ahorita.
¿En serio?
Sí. Me fui hasta abajo. ¡Fla! Pero yo soy más gordo que ustedes. Ustedes son un poquito más flaquitos. Vamos a ver, vamos a ver.
I know, my I love it.
Ahora mira, ahí mismo.
Good boy.
2, 1.
Good boy.
There you go. He did it. All right, easy.
Easy, now you can do it.
3, 2,
So let him
1. 1.
What?
1. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Smack that butakis. You're gonna be shitting water for the next couple days, my man. Emma, Emma?
I'm good. I'm good.
Oh man.
I'm just playing with this weird, disgusting.
Oh, that was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. There's somebody down there. I don't want to jump and fall on them.
I jump on them.
You want to jump with me? Together?
No.
Come on, together. Let's do it together.
That's how much hair
But I'm
product.
gonna swim back.
You
I'm
see
not
all
gonna.
that hair product?
No, that's not hair product. It's just the sand.
It's hair product. Yeah, baby, look.
Did she get pushed? I think she would have pushed. Let's see these guys. Easy!
Oh, look at the good boys you guys are. Ah, good boy. Push me, I dare you.
I'll come back out to the edge over here. You jumped in. Brigante. Everybody left?
Yeah.
It's just you guys?
No, I don't want to go. I'm going to go back to shore.
Damn, this guy right here. You should love this, huh? He's in there jumping around. Ugh. Oh, crap. I brought this with me? What? This can. Put it right there for me. Are we going to jump in? Emma? Yeah, man. Have a good one.
I didn't know you were on
Yes. Are you ready? Who's jumping in?
I can do a flip.
Do a flip. Go ahead. Hurry up. You got this, boy.
Lucky that boy was cute.
Oh my God, he's like 10 years.
Not him.
The other one? Oh,
11 years old.
Emma the Lemma. What's up, girl? We get 13. How you like 11-year-olds?
Hey,
Hey, yo!
I'm Drake.
What? Just jump in. Stop being a butt.
It's almost like a 2 years.
Easy! Catch the camera!
Whee!
Easy! Emma! I won't make it up that ladder. Not me. No freaking way. Look at these guys. How are you gonna climb over your brother, bro? Oh my goodness. Come on, Emma the Lemma. This place is awesome, dude. Awesome. We should have came here earlier in our freaking vacation, but it is what it is.
I couldn't do it.
Ready?
Imagine I like caught it midair.
You want to? Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I got it.
Come on, Emma. Come on. He's gonna get my hat. I'm gonna wear it. Huh? Let me get it. Oh. Emma, come on. I got you. You're recording. Let's go. Huh? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Emma! Come on, Emma! Come on! Come on, Emma! You got this! Come on, Emma! Oh, now you're good, right? Because you're closer? Your big butt. One, two, three. That's okay. My leg's fine. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, dale, niño. No mire para abajo. Really? Come on. Come here.
I just put that on my TV show. No! I swam all the way over here.
You did swim all the way over here. Good job. That's Easy. Yeah, Easy's all the way over there somewhere. Look at Easy.
Yeah, because he's a baby.
True, Bobby!
I'm trying to swim back.
Grab it. Don't be scared. Go ahead, grab it. There you go. Let me get it. What's up, little buddy? I know, you're tired, right? You've been swimming all day. Here, let me bring you over here. Come on. I got you, bud. I got you. Hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna bring him up there. Bring my boy over here real fast.
Can I see it?
Here. He's scared. He's tired too. He's tired. It's an iguana.
Really?
It's a baby iguana. Come up there. Come up here. Let him be. Come on, let's go. He's tired. Emma, you're the only way to clean that off, right? Is to
Jump in.
Is to jump back in there, girl.
Yeah.
Ready?
But I don't want to.
Well, how are you gonna clean that off then?
That's my lotion.
That's your lotion?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess it'll be less ashy then.
Finally.
They about to jump over there. Ready? I told you to jump over there earlier.
It's a rock.
Go ahead. Oh, you gotta be careful then. But jump right there in the corner right here.
It looks
You
like
look right here.
a big one.
Right there. Jump right there. Do like a spinaroonie spinny. Ready? A tree.
I wanna flip.
Do it. Go ahead, bro.
New lotion.
You gotta do it now because we're not coming back here. 3, 2,
I can just jump in
1.
regular.
Oh my goodness, Emma, he's being a big baby girl.
I'll be too.
Look at the school of fish right there. I wanna jump in there and see that school of fish.
You dare me to jump? No. Imagine I jump on the 50.
Well, they got paddles. Our paddles are broken. One works and one doesn't. You gonna jump in one more time before you go?
Yeah, I'm good.
One more time, easy?
Yeah.
From the corner? The edge over there? Huh?
Mom's looking.
Let her look. Who cares? One right there. Go.
Like,
If
jump
anything, I can jump in.
Like I did earlier.
like right here?
Yeah, but be careful. There's rocks over there. Right here in this corner. Right on top
Where'd
of the blue
that
fish.
Alright, watch out.
All right. This is gonna be the closing of this video. I got a 2-hour drive back. I don't know how well you guys can hear me because the camera's full of water, but 2-hour drive back. If there's traffic, a little bit longer.
I'm so dramatic.
Probably gotta edit this video.
Bye.
I said it was gonna be my last day to record, but honestly, it was a freaking awesome day. And look at this place. We still got 4 days left of a good 2 weeks, right? Almost 2.5 weeks now. And it's not raining. It's been raining every day since we've been here, but let's see what happens tomorrow.